This video will demonstrate the initial setup of the iMix 3 hot beverage system. Attach water line to fitting on the bottom of the dispenser. Turn on the water supply. Connect to the power source. Water will automatically flow into the tank to the proper level and then shut off. When the tank is full of water, open the front door and place the heater switching the on position. The water can take 45 minutes to heat. Install the drip tray bracket using the keyholes. Then install backsplash panel onto the bracket, then tighten screws. Post chin drip tray onto the bracket rails under backsplash panel. Fill the hoppers with the dried product. Load hoppers into dispenser. The dispenser is ready for operation.